Kazakhstan's economy has shown significant growth since the beginning of the year. The recovery dynamics is seen in all sectors. The results of the social and economic development of the country were discussed at a government meeting chaired by the Prime Minister. The GDP entered a positive zone, amounting to 0.7%. Non-research sector made the largest contribution. The manufacturing industry shows the record rates, the growth of which amounted to 7.7% for the last 4 months. A positive result is seen in 13 regions, wherein the top 3 include the capital, Almaty City, and Almaty region. The mechanical engineering, manufacturing of locomotives, electronic equipment, and chemical industry show high indicators as well. There is also an increase in investments in non-primary activities by 32.3%. Among them, first of all, are manufacturing industry, construction, and agriculture. Exports indicators are also encouraging. Supplies abroad grew up to $11.5 billion this year.
Қаңтар-наурызда сыртқы сауда тауар айналымы.
From January to March, foreign trade turnover has reached $19.7 billion, including exports $11.5 billion. The export of non-primary goods grew by 15% to $4 billion. Imports of goods amounted to $8.2 billion. The positive trade balance exceeded $3.3 billion.
10 сауда балансы 3 миллиард доллардан асты.
Since the beginning of the year, Mangystau region and Shymkent city have shown an increase in all 7 macro indicators of social and economic development. A little behind are Akmola, Aktobe, Zhambyl, Karagandy and Kostanai regions. The lowest indicators were achieved in West Kazakhstan region.